The sky, one of humanity's oldest mysteries. When we look up at night, the stars, the moon, and the Milky Way enchant us. But sometimes, inexplicable lights appear in the sky or on the horizon. These lights resemble neither stars nor man-made objects. They are part of an incredible phenomenon that has been observed for centuries. Today, we will travel to the four corners of the world, from the folk legend of the the-Wisp to the dancing Min lights in the Australian desert, to the mysterious mountain lights of America known as the Brown Mountain Lights. We will navigate the fine line between scientific explanations and popular beliefs, and ultimately approach this question: are these lights a trick of nature, or are they a mystery humanity still cannot solve? There is a legend that has been told for centuries in the marshes of England and Ireland. Travelers walking through the marshes see a flickering light on the horizon at night. When they try to approach it, the light moves away, and often the traveler finds themselves lost in the mud. The name given to these lights, will-o'-the-wisp. Some beliefs say these lights are lost souls. They are people who died without atoning for their sins, trapped in the world. In some stories, it is a game played by spirits or the devil on travelers. But scientists say there may be a chemical reality behind this legend. Phosphine and methane gases emitted from decaying organic matter in swamps, when combined with oxygen, can create short-lived flashes of light. In other words, the source of the lights may actually be a silent chemical reaction of nature. Still, in the eyes of the public, these lights continue to be seen as signs of spirits. Now we're heading to Australia. In the depths of the desert, around a small town called Min, mysterious lights have been reported for decades. The Min lights are usually seen as bright spheres appearing on the horizon. Sometimes they move, sometimes they suddenly disappear. Some witnesses say these lights follow them, so much so that they claim the lights won't leave them alone, even when they try to drive away. What's the scientific explanation? Some researchers think it could be an upper atmospheric reflection. Just like a mirage, the lights refract in the atmosphere from a distant source and reach our eyes. But this theory doesn't explain all the observations. Because Min lights are sometimes seen very close up at eye level. Moreover, they have been captured on camera. The local Aboriginal people, however, accept these lights as the spirits of their ancestors. According to them, seeing Min lights is a supernatural warning. It keeps people off the road, sometimes dragging them to an unknown place. In the state of North Carolina, in the heart of the Blue Ridge Mountains, there is an area called Brown Mountain, and these mountains have been home to mysterious lights for over 100 years. Observers say they see bright balls slowly gliding down the mountainside at night. These lights sometimes appear yellow, sometimes orange, and sometimes blue. It has become a phenomenon widespread enough to attract tourists. Official agencies have also conducted research. The U.S. Geological Survey claimed that the lights could be car headlights or reflections from trains. However, this explanation overlooks the history of the lights, because the first reports were made in the mid-1800s when there were neither trains nor cars in the area. The local people associate these lights with spirits. The Cherokee tribe believes they are the spirits of their ancestors who died in battle. The mystery remains unsolved. So, can we explain all these light phenomena with a single explanation? The scientific community is considering several hypotheses. First, chemical gases. Gases such as phosphine are released from decaying organic matter. can cause short-lived combustible reactions. Second, atmospheric reflections. Just like in the mirage phenomenon, light can be refracted in the atmosphere and appear from different points. The third is the piezoelectric effect. Intense pressure in the Earth's crust can create electrical discharges from crystals and rocks. This can manifest as light. But all these explanations cannot account for every detail witnessed by eyewitnesses. While some events align with science, others still seem to involve something unknown. Today, these lights are documented not only by folklore, but also by technology. Thanks to cell phone cameras, drones, and night vision cameras, mysterious lights are being recorded more frequently. But interestingly, as recordings increase, answers do not multiply. On the contrary, more questions arise, because the behavior of the lights is different in each recording. In one, they float slowly. In another, they disappear quickly. It's as if each event carries its own unique mystery. These mysterious lights in the sky have enchanted people for centuries. Sometimes they are linked to spirits, sometimes to supernatural powers, and sometimes to aliens. Although science offers logical explanations, in the hearts of the people, these lights remain a mystery. Perhaps one day, our technology will be able to completely solve these mysteries. But perhaps some questions are destined to remain forever mysterious. What do you think? Are these lights appearing in the sky simply tricks of nature? Or are they a reality hidden before our eyes, yet to be discovered? The decision is yours.